Bochita, Muna one Gabaka, Kamara Gebuzo. nmanya.
All right. Oh, welcome to our channel once again, our beautiful followers and viewers. So today we are going to do a competition, or rather a challenge. So in Igbo language, we call challenge Iwaka or Emaka. That's I'm betting you who will finish first. So the two girls are going to be competing. I'm going to count from 1 to 10 in Igbo language. Whoever drinks, I don't expect them to finish it immediately because they may not be able to do that. So whoever that drinks farther than the other person becomes the winner. And we have a cash prize here. We have a cash prize of 1,000 naira. Woo! So who is going to be the winner? Okay, everybody is going to be the winner. So, but we are going to use this challenge to tell who the winner is. So, girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, when I say 1, 2, ready, you and I say go, that is when you now open your drink and start drinking. So I'll start counting 1 to 10 in Igbo language. So when I finish counting 1 to 10, at the count of 10, that is when you will now stop for us to call the winner. Are you ready?
Yes.
Edina njikere.
Owe.
Yes. Eya is yes. Owe is ikwere. Edina njikere.
Eya.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, guys, you run to the comment section and call the and tell us the winner of this challenge. Okay, so we are going to start right away. 1, 2, ready, go. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isii, asaa, asato, iri. It's okay. Wow. So let me see your can. Who is the first? Let me see. Okay, so you show me your own at the camera. This label is covering it. So can you open the label? Let's know who came first actually. Wait, let me see the label because all of you stop in between the label. Open it, open it, open it. Let me tear out the waterproof. Very good. So that we can see. Woo! Oh yeah, show us. Okay, let's put it together. Let me know whose own is higher. Oh, so viewers, guys, who is the winner? From here, I can see that Sorochi's own is the one that went down so well. Sorochi, you are hereby the winner of this challenge. Congratulations! Yes, guys, we have a winner, and aga m enye gị ego a iji si gị ndewo or daalụ maka ịpụta onye mbụ ụzọ na ịma aka. Placid, you try so well. Ịgbalịrị agbalị. Ụbọchị ọzọ mekarịa nwanne gị nwanyị. Ngwa Sorochi, were ego gị. Thank you. So what do you have to say to our viewers?
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.
Oh, guys, subscribe, share, and like, and watch out for our next video. Till we come your way next time. Bye-bye.